Uh, Today I will do an experiment to explain the different electron domain geometries. Uh, there are eight types of the electron domains. The first type has for the first type, the total number of the electron domains are three, like this one, and the type of molecular is AB2, and the electron domain geometry is trigonal-planar, and the number of lone pairs is just one, and the example is SO2. And the second type has the total number of the electron domains are four, and the type of molecular is AB3. It's like this one. Like this one. And the electron domain geometry is tetrahedral, and the number of lone pairs is just one. And the example is NH3. And the total number, and the third type has the total number of the electron domain, which are four, and the type of molecular is AB2, like this one. And the electron domain geometry is tetrahedral, and the number of lone pairs are two, and the example is water H2O, and the fourth type has total number of electron domains which are five, which is like this one. Which is like this one. The type of molecular is AB4, and the electron domain geometry is trigonal bipyramidal, and the number of lone pairs is just one, and the example is SF4, and the fifth type has total number of electron domains which are five, and the type of molecular is AB3. Which is like this one. The electron domain geometry is trigonal bipyramidal, and the example is CLF3. And the sixth type is total number of electron domain, which are five, and the type of molecular is AB2. It's just like this one. The electron domain geometry is trigonal bipyramidal, and the number of lone pairs are three, and the example is the IF2 ions. And the seventh type has the total number of the electron domains, which are six, and the type of molecular is AB5. It's like this one. The electron domain geometry is octahedral, and the number of lone pairs is just one, and the example is BRF5. And the last one has the total number of the electron domains which are six, and the and the type of molecular is AB4, and which is like it's like this one, AB4. And the electron domain geometry is octahedral, and the number of lone pairs are 2, and the example is XeF4. Yeah. So all of the above are the 8 types of the different electron domains. Thank you.